So welcome to one of the aesthetic rooms. The aesthetic rooms, as you can see, we have some of the state-of-the-art equipment. You have your LED face mask that helps with hyperpigmentation, acne, rosacea, melasma, uneven skin tone, I already said hyperpigmentation, and all that, dark marks, ingrown hairs. Yes, it's a wonderful mask. It comes either side, has the LED lights on the inside. I'm not going to turn it on right now because it'd be kind of bright, because it's super bright, but it works. So in here you'll get training on these type of tools rather than the other tools you buy on Amazon or eBay, which are good, but you have to keep it on the skin for a while to even give you a good effect. This you only need on the face for a couple minutes, maybe 10 minutes at the most. You don't need any more than that, and that's pushing it. So here in the aesthetic room you'll learn about your steamers, you'll learn about your loop lamps or your loops, and how to set up your room so where it's comfortable and inviting to people. We're going to go over before and after photos. We're going to go through chemical peel class. We're going to go through dermaplaning and microdermabrasion, diamond tip, and crystal. If you want to learn crystal, you can learn it because some spas still use the crystal microdermabrasion. So other than that, we're actually going to learn combination peels. You can actually add in a good cleanse, dermaplane that dead skin off. You can even go over it with diamond tip microdermabrasion, then add your chemical peel to it, then add a mask to it, which either a hydro jelly mask, which
it's good hydrating serum mask,
or you can add serums to it, then apply your moisturizer or your cooling gel and go on with your day and have new glowing skin. So in here, that's what we're going to learn. We're going to learn it all. UV sanitizers. How do I use my UV sanitizer? Everybody thinks you just put in these tools and you put it in there with the light on and it's clean. No, you still got to clean the tools first, then put it in UV sanitizer, and then you might even have to clean it again. Just a nice spritz of certain solutions to get rid of any type of dust or anything that's collected on those tools. So we're going to go over that. High frequency machines to 14-in-1 machines, 15-in-1 machines, HydraFacial. We're going to go through everything. Extraction classes to get rid of any type of hair or bumps or anything crazy with acneic skin. So welcome to our aesthetic training room. But this is only one room. You're going to be trained in a bigger room that has 3 tables, maybe even 4. So that's what we're going to learn.